Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share with you my new phone charger block adapter. Let me tell you why I love this thing so much. Well, for starters, it's got this really nice, smooth, white, sleek, minimalist design that goes perfectly with all my other Apple products like my iPhone, my AirPods, and my iPhone charger. What's also great about this box adapter is that it is super lightweight and it goes perfectly with my charger. My iPhone charger fits in perfectly, and it's not too big either. It's a really nice relative size, as you can see, compared to my hand, so it doesn't stand out as much and it fits into lots of little pockets. And here I'm actually using it to charge my iPhone. As you can see, everything is going smoothly. Once I connected it, it instantly charged my phone. And I noticed that since I started to use this box adapter, my phone actually charges much faster than before. This block adapter is so practical and it charges my phone so fast. I don't know how I charged my phone without it, but that's just my point of view.